Hey guys, I'm Pritha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to narrate you my hormonal acne story, and also I'm gonna tell everything related how I healed my skin, what products I use, and also I'll provide the timestamps right in the description box if you want to skip to any part. And if you're new here, then hi, my name is Pritha Shengupta and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Please consider subscribing to this channel and turn on your notifications. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So firstly, I'm gonna start with the whole story. Trust me, everything will be very brief and to the point. I don't wanna blabber throughout the video like that. So everything started back in October 2020 when I suddenly noticed that there are very small and tiny bumps all over my face which actually looked like milia. Now in case if you don't know what milia is basically small bumps or tiny kind of spots all over your face which actually is the color of your own skin, and it comes naturally and goes naturally. Milia does not have any specific treatment for the process of healing. A few days went on and I started noticing that it was gradually increasing, the number of tiny spots were increasing. So I was like, okay, let me just Google search a little bit, how can I treat milia. So after researching, I got to know that if I steam my face and if I use tea tree oil mixed in a moisturizer, then it might help. So I bought a tea tree oil, I used that for a month, and trust me, nothing has happened, just nothing. During Durga Puja in October, that is almost in the, I guess in the end of October, I started breaking out like anything. My friends were like, what's wrong with your skin? And I was like, ye to milia hai, theek ho jayega. I took it so lightly. So everything went like that. When in November, I started noticing that things are getting a little bit serious, and still at that point of time I didn't care to think that it's acne. Then in December, in the first week of December, I started noticing my skin is getting worse. It has the most dangerous breakout one could ever had. Like, that's the most dangerous breakout that I had till now. Then I decided, let's not search it by myself anymore, let's consult a dermatologist. And he told me that this might be hormonal acne, and he told me that I'm giving you a time of 3 weeks and your skin does not start showing any result, then I might give you a PCOS test. Now I knew that I don't have PCOS. I went to gynecologist so many times and I never was diagnosed with PCOS. So I gave myself the 3 weeks time and my skin was kind of healing, and after December, January, February, March, April, yeah. And after almost 3 to 4 months, my skin healed. It healed. Like, my skin is completely fine now. I don't have any breakouts. I don't have a lot of scarring. My skin is doing all good. So that was the story. Now let's move on to the journey during the whole process. So the pictures which you're looking at right now are the first pictures which I actually took when I started having milia, though those are not milia. And this continued for like 2 months. And then in December, my acne started showing. My skin broke out like anything. I got terrible breakouts, and then I realized that I should consult a doctor. बहुत हो गया खुद से ये सब करना. Let's now seek a professional. In the mid of December, the redness actually increased. I was a little bit shocked कि what is happening, but the acne is reduced in size and I got whiteheads. I used to feel like popping those whiteheads, but I was like, no, you should not, because we all know that a popping pimples or whiteheads or acne is not a good thing. But thoda sa tempted ho jati thi main. So, but of course I didn't do that. I was just kidding. In the end of December, trust me, my skin was magically showing a lot of results very quickly. In the end of the month, the acne is reduced further and it kind of looked like rashes. The redness was also almost gone, which I was really happy about. I was like, yes, now it's happening, now it's happening. Like, that was like after 3 weeks. So मुझे लग रहा था कि हाँ देखो, मुझे पता था कि मुझे PCOS नहीं है, ये hormonal acne ही है, because my instincts can never be wrong. Just kidding. After exactly 1 month, that is in the end of January 2021, the acne were almost gone and I was mostly left with acne scarring जो होना ही था. The whiteheads reduced and the redness were also gone. Then again, after exactly 1 month, I started breaking out a little bit on my cheeks क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मेरा acne prone skin है. So the problem of acne will never be solved like that. मुझे acne आएंगे जाएंगे ये होना ही है. Now the most beautiful time of my acne story, that is the month of March. In the first week of March, my acne, they were completely gone. Whatever थोड़े बहुत जो breakouts हुए थे कुछ दिनों पहले वो भी चले गए. And I was really happy. I was just only left with scars all over my face, mainly on my cheeks and jawline. I had scars for more than a month because, to be very honest, मैंने scarring के लिए कुछ नहीं किया था. मुझे लग रहा था कि ये ऐसे ही चला जाएगा because of the gel which I was using. It was recommended by my dermat. For a month I used the gel just for the scars to reduce, but nothing happened. And then after few days, in the month of April only, I bought a product which actually helps with acne scars, and my acne is reduced drastically within 3 weeks. Now in the present situation, that is in the month of May, I don't have any acne left over my skin. My skin is totally healed. I just have a very light acne scarring that is like negligible. Right now I'm totally satisfied with my skin. Now let's talk about the products which I used. Also, another disclaimer, that is I don't know whether these products are OTC products or not. In case you don't know what are OTC products are over the counter products, which means that you can buy any OTC product without any doctor's prescription. So I really don't have any idea. I just don't want you guys to buy like this. Like if you're someone who is suffering from something similar to this, then, and if you're planning like, okay, I'll buy this, please consult a dermatologist or consult any professional before you get your hands on these products. The face wash which I used is the Fash Foam face wash. It's the one in blue in color. It's the foaming face wash which had properties of deep cleansing. It really cleans your skin from a very deep level. So you can even also try out any other kind of face wash if you right now don't feel like consulting a doctor, because अभी तो कोरोना का टाइम है. अभी अगर हॉस्पिटल जाओगे भी ना, कोरोना अगर नहीं भी है वो तब भी हो जाएगा. You can buy anything which will help your skin to deep cleanse. So there are many face washes available. So according to your skin type, you can choose one from any brand. For moisturizer, the doctor suggested me a moisturizer, लेकिन मैंने वो moisturizer नहीं खरीदा. मेरे पास Biotique का Bio Nectar moisturizer था, which I have shown a lot of times in my videos. I used that and that worked pretty well for me, so I didn't made another purchase. And then I used this gel which the doctor prescribed to me. That's the Epiduo. Yeah, Epiduo. That's the benzoyl peroxide Epiduo. Now, one thing, if you're suffering from acne issues, then please include benzoyl peroxide in your skincare routine. Now, benzoyl peroxide is really good with your क्या बोलते हैं, benzoyl peroxide actually will destroy the germs present in your acne, which will heal the acne very quickly. And the final product which I used, now this is not an OTC product, you can buy this of course, that is the Mamaearth Skin Correct Serum. I used that for my acne scars, and I mean, wow, such a nice product. Within, I guess, 2 to 3 weeks, I saw many results. My scarring went from this to this. I mean, yeah, such a nice product. Skincare के मामले में, I trust Mamaearth the most. Like, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है Mamaearth. So if you are suffering from acne scars, then you can definitely go for the Mamaearth Skin Correct Serum. The doctor advised me not to use toner, not to use face mask for that time. I didn't use that, and voila, my skin looks amazing now. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed the journey of my skin healing from 0 to not 100, at least to 90. I am really happy that you watched this video till this end. If you like the video, then you know it. Like, comment, share, and do subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Press the bell icon right beside your subscribe option so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And you can definitely follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID handle link is provided in my description box. You can have a look from there. I post many content on Instagram, so don't miss them out. So that's it for today. I'll see you very soon. Bye.